How to solve WhatsApp icon missing from home screen although it shows installed under apps. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing what you have to do is check if you have your WhatsApp installed or not. To do so, in your app screen, simply search for WhatsApp. As this icon is visible here, it means that the app is installed in your phone. So sometimes the app goes missing when you have hidden app. So in order to unhide that, simply go to settings, then go to home screen, then tap on hide apps, and all the apps that you have hidden will appear over here. Since I do not have any app hidden, nothing is being shown. But if you have, you just have to tap on that minus sign, and that your whatever your app is being hidden will be unhidden. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.